My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. So it's that time of the month again. No, rent is not due. It is subscription box time. And this video in particular is going to be my Ipsy Glam bag for the month of May. So if you would like to see what I got for my Ipsy this month, then keep on watching. And if you do like this type of video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Yeah, let's get right into it. So I didn't go on my Ipsy account this month and like kind of pick my items like I have been. Not that you can pick them, but you can give them, yes, I would want this, or no, I wouldn't want that. So we'll see what I get without intervening. Ooh, this bag. Oh my gosh. Oh, can we talk about gorgeous? Oh my god. I am so living for this bag. It is like a glitter. It has like silver, pink, and gold glitter with a little black tassel. This is definitely one of my favorite bags I've gotten from Ipsy. I am so in love with that. But I did see, yes, a brush. Alright, so the first product that I see, okay, so it is a double-ended brush by Farrah. It is the 22E Shade and Blend. Hold on. Let's get a little closer. Ooh, I like this. And I've really been liking the Farrah brushes that I've been getting from my Ipsy. Like my new favorite bronzer brush is actually this pink Farrah brush. Wow, I really like the blending side. It's very nice. It'll be good for like more precise colors in the crease. And then this would be good for either a lid shade or to cover your entire eye with some powder, or to highlight your brow bone. So yeah, we're off to a good start. And then it went downhill from there. So this is Pretty Woman nail polish in platinum status. Oh, well, wait, let me see. I do like nail polish, but I hardly paint my nails. I paint my toenails, but not as often as I should, and definitely not as often as I used to, because it's hard for me to like bend over and paint my nails with my back. Ooh, but that is really pretty. It is a beautiful metallic silver. So I might just paint my nails with this color because that is very pretty. 0.33 ounces. Alright, I've never heard of this brand before, but I'm going to try it. Orza, I don't think I'm saying that, Beauty Nude Shimmer and Contour Eyeshadow. This brand, I got a lip gloss from BoxyCharm from this brand, but that's the only product that I've tried from them. I'm usually, like the mini palettes that I get from Ipsy, they're usually not the greatest eyeshadows, but I've never tried eyeshadows from this brand before. Okay, well actually that is pretty. Let me swatch it for you. They're very creamy. Alright. So those are actually really pretty. You got a gold, like a copper, then kind of like a pinkish champagne, and then a neutral brown. That would be really good to like travel with and just do a really simple look. Put that brown in the crease and then use one of the shimmer shades for the lid. Alright, so next I got this Papa Recipe Eggplant Clearing Cleansing Foam. Number one, I hate eggplant. I've never heard of this brand before. It is 0.50 ounces. It says Eggplant Clearing Cleansing Foam offers a pleasant cleansing experience end results with its rich, effervescent lather, leaving skin feeling sleek and supple. All right, we'll see. And lastly, is this Estate lip icing. Ooh, I don't know, let's see. Let's open it and see. So this is full size. Ooh! I love the packaging. Number one, the pale pink cap. Yeah. Oh, it's in Drip. All right, that's a cute name. We got a doe foot here. Let's see. Ooh, it's really pretty. It's very creamy. Does it smell? Ooh, it does smell like icing. Mmm. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited for that. I actually, Estate, that's funny, I actually used this Estate highlighter for the center of my lids. So I'm so excited about that. All right, let me see. I definitely get better products when I go onto my account and do that. I'm really excited about the brush and the lip gloss. The other three, I could have done without. I mean, this is a beautiful nail polish color, but I already do have silver metallic nail polish, so I'll probably just put that in for giveaways. And I'm probably going to do the same for this face wash. I wish I wouldn't have swatched this so I could have done this as well, but what are you going to do? Yeah, I do want to get Glam Bag Plus, but build your dream bag. Every month on the 2nd at 9 a.m. you'll have the chance to add on whatever deluxe samples or full-size products you like. Huh? I wonder if I can get the Glam Bag Plus. Let me see if it's letting you now. I just kind of gave up because, oh, okay, I think it's letting me. So I clicked on it and it said I can add Glam Bag Plus to your current plan or switch to Glam Bag Plus only. I just want to switch to Glam Bag Plus. Oh, it says reserve your spot. FYI, you won't be charged for Glam Bag Plus until we upgrade your account. For now, you'll stay on your current plan. Am I getting it or not? It's saying reserve your spot, but what does that mean? Oh, it says you'll get the June Glam Bag Plus. Okay. So for anyone who is interested, I guess the Glam Bag Plus is open to everyone else now. That's nice. All right, because I'm not too happy with this one. I mean, it's not bad for $10, but from what I've seen, the Glam Bag Pluses are a lot better than the regular Ipsy. So I guess I will be getting that next month. Looking forward to that. Yeah. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, play on, playa. Bye.